time present and time past are both perhaps present in time future, and time future contained in time past. If all time is eternally present, all time is unredeemable. What might have been is an abstraction, remaining a perpetual possibility, only in a world of speculation. In a world of speculation.
I used to hide in a red box. My house is now the best place to hide. When I was small, the world was big. The world is bigger now. You can go farther now. The sofa, I remember it only from the front side. The back side, I forget, was always too far for me to go. The chairs were big. My mother used to say that the sofa is like a little bird.